parts. Sexy. Quick little description of the part. So basically, it's for my decoy. I'm gonna go coil. I have the air shock now. A few months ago, so the bike's been down for a few months, so I haven't really posted it or been riding it. I've been on the hardtail when I can get out there. I've been super busy with work and other, personal things, but mainly work. I might share a little bit down the line, some big moves, big career changes, and most of my time has been gone to that. I have been also, if you follow my Instagram, been really active with with jiu-jitsu as well. So, been kind of exercising with that and getting my cardio back up and, competing in a lot of tournaments. I think I got like 2 or 3 tournaments already, and I've taken gold on all of them. So maybe I'll post some clips after this. But yeah, anyway, so quick rundown. A few months ago, I went out riding. On a Friday, I went to go with an e-bike crew, and I went to put some air on my rear shock because I knew it had it needed some air. So when I went to put some air on the rear shock, when I went to remove the pump, all of a sudden it just completely all the air came out, just complete all of it at one shot. So then I tried it again a couple times, didn't work. One of the guys out there, Laguna Bike Shed, he's like, hey man, I might have some spare parts at my shop. Why don't you go out there and check it out? So I went over there and I tried to replace the little valve, or at least clean the valve I had because he didn't have a spare at the time. So I went to clean my valve, didn't work. So then I went straight to the path, and I bought a valve, and I installed a new valve, and it still didn't work. Same problem. Again, went to another shop, bought another valve. Maybe I was just thinking like, well, shit, maybe it's just, that part. So then again, bought another valve, and same issue. I connect the pump, I pump air in it, and when I go to disconnect the pump, it completely removes all the air. I thought it was the pump, so I bought a brand new shock pump, and it still did not work. So then I said, you know what, screw it. I'm kind of tired of the air maintenance and the issues that it was giving me. So I saved some money, and I pulled the trigger on the Ohlins. This is the new one, the TTX22M.2. Yeah, I think it's pretty sweet, man. I don't know about the color scheme on the bike and the orange, whatever, but it looks dope. It looks pretty sick. So one of the reasons why I bought the Ohlins one was I was kind of lazy to like take off my shock, get the measurements and all that, and then go look for a shock. So what I did was I went on the YT website, and I looked at the Core 4, and I said, well, what coil is the Core 4 running? And I saw that they were running this, because I mean the Geo's the same, I think. We'll see. I hope it doesn't bite me in the ass, but the Core 4 has this exact one. So I went on Worldwide Cyclery and I found it. I purchased it. It took me probably like a month and a half to get it after purchasing it, and yeah, it finally came in. I think last week. It came in last week. So I'm gonna put this thing together today and then slap it on the bike. There's a lot of videos where people just slide this through. Oh, the spring. Pink. And this thing. This. Bevel on there. That goes down, I guess. Spring comes up. The other way doesn't fit. then this chingadera goes on here. All right, so these are to adjust the damper. Raises this up. Screws come out. Slips in there. Pink, pink, pink. Screws go back. We're not gonna mess with this, which means we don't need tools. Screen goes in, like so, and then this chingadera goes in, like so, and then the spring, the locking O-ring goes in this groove. Let's get that shit in there. That's it. Just like that. That's crazy. That's insane, dude. So then after that, drop this down. And what the instructions say is once it's on there with no play, like so, there's no up and down movement, 2 full turns. My laundry's done. Let me do the 2 full turns. So 1 and 2 full turns. That's it. Then we gotta tighten them up here, tighten up there so this doesn't move, doesn't get loose on us. And yeah, let me go grab my laundry. Next we'll check out me installing this on the bike. But damn, look at that. That thing looks sexy. Oh yeah, another reason why I got Ohlins, because a lot of people have the Fox one, the DHX, whatever it is, and I don't like riding what other people have. I kind of like doing my own thing, so that's why I bought this one. So this is what the bike currently has. The Float X Performance Air Shock. This is the little valve that took a shit. Replaced it a couple times and it still didn't work with me. So yeah, but also I think I ride the bike pretty hard and I really want to check out how a coil shock is gonna, you know, change the ride or whatever. So pretty excited. I'm gonna install it now. So what the hell? I got my helper here, my little mechanic. What's up, Rocco? Very needy dog. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And then there's Nova. Hello, princess. Hey, baby. Hi, baby girl. This is Rocco. This is Nova. If you don't know, now you know. She's not fat. She's just fluffy. So, yeah. Oh, yeah. I have the bike not on the stands. It's probably not ideal. Whatever. I don't really care. My bike stands at my mom's house. And, yeah. So don't judge me. Keep your comments to yourself. Alright, so if you ever got to put these in your shocks, this is the trick. and then just push through. Don't do what I was doing earlier. I was a fucking idiot. That didn't work. Boom. All right, we're good. Enough talking. Hey yo, my dumbass forgot to install this piece. Alright, it's in. Get everything back together. Now we can struggle again.